Namaste to all of you. In the last class, I given binomial theorem introduction. Now in this class, this is the continuation class. Date you can follow. Here the date is 24th August 2021. In the last class, I given the general term. Regarding general term, we are discussing. So what is the meaning of the general term? General term means in the expansion a plus b whole power n, tr plus 1 is called as the general term. Tr plus 1 is called as the general term and is given by tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into a power r into b power n minus r. Okay, now this is called as the general term. You can remember this point. So till now in binomial theorem, what I given, basing on that few examples we will do. If you did few examples now, you can understand easily that today basic examples only I will give. Okay, listen here, a few basic examples I will give. And here after this basic, by listening all these things, one general expansion I will do so that it will be easy for you. For example, if they will give a plus b whole power n, then tell me, with the help of the last class, already we given how to find the binomial coefficients also. I given already, and gradually a highest power will start. By starting with a highest power, gradual reduced by 1. In the beginning term, b power 0 will be there. Starting with b power 0, gradual increased by 1 and reaches b power n. So if expansion, if we do for a plus b whole power n, tell me what you will get first value. nc naught a power n, many examples already we given in the last class, plus nc1 into a power n minus 1 into b. Got it ma? A value reduced by 1. Now next value nc2 into a power n minus 2 into b square. By continuing this value between r plus 1th term, you will get ncr into a power n minus 2 into a power n minus r into b power r. By proceeding like this, what is the last value? ncn into b power n is the value. So this is the binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. Even if you want more for this, proof is also there, but not required. This is the binomial theorem for positive integral index. Positive integral index. So here, these nc0, nc1, nc2, so on ncr, so on ncn. Okay, here nc0, nc1, nc2, so on ncr, so on ncn. These are called binomial coefficients. Are called binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients. Okay, keep in your mind. And these nc0, nc1, nc2, all these are denoted by in every term, in every time. No need to mention that n. Simply these are denoted by, here I am writing, these are denoted by c0 comma c1 comma c2 comma c3 comma so on cn, like this. Every time, instead of writing nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3 up to so on ncn, simply we can mention these nc0, nc1, nc2, ncr, ncn simply denoted by c0, c1, c2, c3, like that. Now if you observe now here, what is this term number? nc0 is their first term. What is this term number? nc1 is their second term. NC2 is there. What is the term number? Third term. Then NCR is there. What is this term number? R plus 1th term. This is the value. The general term in the expansion A plus B whole power n is denoted by TR plus 1. TR plus 1 means general term. And this value TR plus 1 is equal to given by NCR into A power. Sorry here in the last class maybe we went wrong here. Sorry. A power n minus r into b power r, gradually decreasing like this. So the general term TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into a power n minus r into b power r. In the last class, beginning we given this one, just to correct that value. Sorry for that. NCR into a power n minus r into b power r. So gradually in any expansion, this is the binomial theorem. In any binomial expansion, if you observe, if it is the positive integral index, then a highest power will come gradually reduced by 1, b power 0 it will come, slowly it is increased to n. And this is the general term, and in this binomial theorem a plus b whole power n, where n is the positive integral index, this is the expansion, and in this expansion NC0 comma NC1 comma NC2 comma so on NCN are called the binomial coefficients. Simply these binomial coefficients are denoted by C0 comma C1 comma C2 comma C3 comma so on Cn. And of course, how to find these values I given in the last class formula also. NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula. Keep in our mind this formula also. Okay. And here NC0 is equal to NCN is equal to 1. This is the point also we given last class. And NC1 is equal to n is the value. Even this point also I given. Okay. Now, basing on this binomial theorem for positive integral index, means here the power is positive integral value, and here in NCR formula, n and r are positive integers. This is strictly positive, and this value non-negative, means r value greater than or equal to 0. And what is the relation between this NCR, n and r value? Always r value less than or equal to n only. Even regarding this NCR in detail, we will discuss in the permutations combination chapter. I hope that all this is clear for you. Now today in this class we will explain a few example bits more basing on this binomial theorem. So this general term, just to correct that value, general term is given by TR plus 1, which is equal to NCR into a power n minus r into b power r. Okay. Now listen. What is the value NC n minus r? Already we know NCR formula. What is NCR formula given? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here 1 factorial is equal to 0 factorial is equal to 1. This is also we given. N factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into up to so on n. This is also we given. And n factorial formula is n into n minus 1 factorial. This is also we given. All these are the properties related to factorial. And here n factorial they will mention like this also. Don't confuse, either this is a symbol or this is a factorial n. This is called factorial n, or this is named as n factorial. So n factorial value is given by product of the first n natural numbers like this. Next, what is NC n minus r value? We can calculate. According to the formula NCR, what is NCR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Of course, here in the place of r, Here n minus r is there. So tell me what is the value? N factorial by n minus, in the place of r, n minus r is there. So n minus r factorial into, in the place of r, n minus r is there factorial. Then simplify n factorial by n cancel. Here r factorial you will get. This is n minus r factorial. But this is similar to this one. N factorial by n minus r factorial. So nothing but NCR. So this is very, very important formula. So NCR is equals to NC n minus r. This is one more very, very important point. So basing on this one, for example, if you calculate 6C2 value, 6C2 value is equal to 6C, 6 minus 2 means 6C4, like that. Sum of these two values is nothing but 6 is the value. So this is also one more important formula. NCR equal to NC n minus r is the formula. Basing on this one, for example, 7C2 value is equals to 7C5 is the value. 7C3 is equals to 7C4 value, like this. And 7C1 is equals to, 7C1 is equal to what is the value? 7C6. If you add these two, 7 will come. If you add these two, 7 will come. If you add these two, 7 will come. For example, if they will ask 18C12, what is 18C12 value? 18C12 value is nothing but 18C6 is the value. 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. So in this binomial coefficients, this is also one more important formula. NCR equal to NC n minus r. Okay. So all this is the introduction regarding about the binomial theorem. Now in this class, few examples we will try basing on this introduction. Now here few simple examples we will try today in this class. So here they given expand, here it is the value 2p by 5 minus 3q by 7 whole power 6 by using binomial theorem. By using binomial theorem. By using binomial theorem. This is the one example they given like this one. This is one example. So expand 2p by 5 minus 3q by 7 whole power 6 by using binomial theorem. Listen all of you. So already binomial theorem we know. For example, if they will give a plus b whole power 6. If the given expansion is a plus b whole power 6. What is expansion for this one? Tell me. 6c naught into a power 6 plus 6c1 into a power 5 into b plus 6c2 into a power 4 into b square plus 6c3 into a cube into b cube plus 6c4 a square b power 4 6c5 a power 1 b power 5 plus 6c6 b power 6. This is the expansion already we given. How I can write this value? Simple. 6c0, 6c1, 6c2, 6c3 up to 6c6. These are the binomial coefficients. Next, a highest power will come gradually reduced by 1. B power 0 with the start gradually increased by 1. That's it. Now compare this expansion with this expansion. Instead of a 2p by 5, instead of b minus 3q by 7. Here minus is there. So in the place of b, they given minus 3q by 7. Then expand this value. Therefore 2p by 5 minus 3q by 7 whole power 6. What is the value? Tell me. 6c naught into a value 2p by 5 whole power 6. This is the value. Plus 6c1 into 2p by 5 whole power 5 into b will come. What is b value? Minus 3q by 7 plus next value 6c2 into 2p by 5 whole power 4 into minus 3q by 7 whole square plus 6c3 into 2p by 5 whole cube into minus 3q by 7 whole cube is the value plus 6c4 into what is the value? The value is 2p by 5 whole square into minus 3q by 7 whole power 4. Next value plus 6c5 into 2p by 5 into minus 3q by 7 whole power 5 is the value. Last value 6c6 into minus 3q by 7 whole power 6 is the value. If you calculate here plus only you will get, here minus term, here plus term, next minus term, next plus term, next minus term, like this alternately plus or minus you will get. If you are interested, you can calculate 6c naught value 1, 6c1 value 6, 6c2 value. What is the 6c2 value? 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is the value. Means 5 into 6 by 2 which is equals to 15. So 6c2 value, 6c4 value you will get 15. 6c0 value, 6c6 value 1. 6c1 value, 6c5 value 6 is the value. Next you can calculate 6c3 value. What is the 6c3 value? 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 6 factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6 minus 3 means 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3. Cancel, this cancel, 20. So 6c3 value 20 and 6c4 value means 62, 15. Replace the values, simplify, you will get the answer. So this is the binomial theorem for positive integral index. Positive integral index means the power value is always a positive integral value. For that positive integral value we are doing, these are the expansions. Okay, I hope that this is clear. Next next example, if they will give same expansion you can take it. For example, if they will mention find general term. If the example is like this find the general term in the expansion 2p by 5 minus 3q by 7 whole power 6. If they will ask general term, how you can find general term? Listen now, general term indicated by tr plus 1. General term means tr plus 1. Keep in our mind. And tr plus 1 is equal, what is the formula we given? ncr into a power n minus r into b power r. This is the general term formula. ncr into a power n minus r into b power r. Here in the given bit, what is n value 6. Instead of a, what is the value they given? 2p by 5. Instead of b, what is the value they given? Minus 3q by 7. So general term is this one in a plus b whole power n. In a plus b whole power n, this is the general term. General term means tr plus 1. Our aim is to find general term in 2p by 5 minus 3q by 7 whole power 6. Then tell me. Therefore, the general term tr plus 1 is equal to n value 6. So 6c r into a value 2p by 5 whole power 6 minus r into b value minus 3q by 7 whole power r. If you want more, you can simplify, otherwise leave it. So this is the general term on tr plus 1 in the expansion 2p by 5 minus 3q by 7 whole power 6. Okay. So I hope that this is clear for you. Next, one more example. Now, here they are asking that find 10th term in the expansion 3p by 4 minus 5q whole power 14. Okay, they are asking about the 10th term. 10th term in this expansion. Listen, so in this expansion, how we can identify the 10th term? Listen, T10. 10th term is T10. How you can write? First of all, the general term is TR plus 1. What is the TR plus 1 formula? Tell me. NCR into A power n minus R into B power R. This is the general term in the expansion A plus B whole power n. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into A power n minus R into B power R in this expansion. Now, my requirement is 10th term. So what is the 10th term means? Compulsory, whatever the value they given here, you have to convert into this form, R plus 1. So T9 plus 1, which is equal to, instead of n, here 14 is there. So 14C9 into A power n minus R. What is A value, 3p by 4 whole power n minus R. N value 14 minus R value 9 into B power R. What is B value? Instead of B, minus 5q is there. Whole power 9 is the value. Now simplify, which is equals to minus whole power 9 means minus only you will get. So minus 14C9 into, this is the value, 3p by 4 whole power 5 is the value, and here you will get 5q whole power 9 is the value, like this. So this is the 10th term in the binomial theorem, 3p by 4 minus 5q whole power 14. So if they will ask 10th term, 11th term, first of all, our aim is to convert that value as general term formula. Already general, by using this formula, what is n value, what is r value, instead of a, what is the value they given, instead of b, what is the value they given, you have to compare with them, simplify, you will get the answer. I hope that this is clear for you. Okay, next. Now, here one more example they given. Here the example is find the rth term in 3a by 5 plus 5b by 7 whole power 8, 1 less than or equal to or less than or equal to 9. This is the one more example. Find the rth term. Find the rth term in this expansion. Okay, they given like this. Listen, ma. So while enter into in this bit, first of all, general term formula keep in your mind. In a plus b whole power n, what is the general term? General term is tr plus 1, and tr plus 1 is given by ncr into a power n minus r into b power r. This is the basic formula. The general term in the expansion a plus b whole power n is given by tr plus 1 is equals to ncr into a power n minus r into b power r. Now here rth term they are asking. Rth term, that is r plus 1th term, general term means. So our aim is to find tr. What is rth term? Rth term means this is the meaning. So this value I can modify like this. T r minus 1 plus 1. Can I write like this now? Any term you have to convert that value into general term. So now this is in the form tr plus 1. Of course, in place of r minus 1 is there. Got my point, mom? Whatever the term we have to find, compulsory that term should be in the form of general term formula. What is the general term formula? Tr plus 1. So you have to convert like tr plus 1. So tr means I can write this value as tr plus 1. Then tell me which is equals to. Instead of n, what is the value there? 8. So 8c r minus 1 into a power n minus r. Instead of a, whole this value is there. So 3a by 5 whole power n minus r. N minus r. Instead of r minus 1 is there. Into, here I am writing into b power r. Instead of b, what is the value? The total value is 5b by 7 whole power r. Instead of r minus 1 is there. So r minus 1. So if you simplify, that implies tr minus 1 plus 1 means tr is equal to 8c r minus 1 into, what is the value? 3a by 5 whole power, simplification if you want, 9 minus r, 5b by 7 whole power r minus 1, like this. So this is the rth term in the expansion 3a by 5 plus 5b by 7 whole power 8. I hope that all these bits are clear for you. Next, one more example we can go through it. Now here they given like this. One more example. Find the third term. Find the third term from the end in the expansion of x power minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by x square whole power 8. This is the one more example. Okay, listen here. What is the given? Find the third term from the end in the expansion of x power minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by x square whole power 8. So first of all, here if you observe the expansion, what is the expansion they given? Given expansion. What is the given expansion? X power minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by x square whole power 8. So power 8 is there. So power 8 means how many terms are there? Therefore, number of terms is equal to 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. This is in the last class. In the binomial expansion observations I given. If power 2 is there, 3 terms will be there. If the power 3 is there, how many terms will be there? 4 terms will be there. Power 5 is there, 6 terms will be there. Basing on that, here power 8 is there, so 9 terms will be there. So 9 terms means T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9. These are the terms. Then what they are asking? Find the third term from the end. So from the end, third term means T7. So that is from the end, third term is equals to T7 from beginning. Got it, mom? So from the beginning, we have to find T7 term. Then calculate. Therefore, T7 is equals to T6 plus 1. Compulsory. You have to write in the general format only. So T6 plus 1. T6 plus 1 means what is the value? NC 6 into, of course, N value 8 is there. NC 6 into A power means X power minus 2 by 3 whole power. A power N minus R into B value. What is B value? Minus 3 by X square whole power R means 6 is the value. Then 8C6 means nothing but 8C2 into, what about this total value? X power minus 2 by 3. Here it is the value, square you will get. Minus 3 power 6 by, this is the value x power 12 you will get. Simplify, you will get the answer. So, whenever if they will ask from the ending means simple only. From the given value, from the given n value, we know that how many terms are there. Basing on those terms, from the ending, third term is in this bit, from the ending, the third term is nothing but from the beginning it is seventh term. So you have to observe like that. After observing that, simplify, you will get the answer. I hope that this is clear for you. So first of all, how many terms are there? You can cross check, you can do it. Now, listen. Till here it is enough. Today I taken 2 classes of binomial theorem. Okay. Now, present you are listening. Vectors. After vectors, they will send the 3-dimensional also. Vectors 3D, and after that statistics. Few simple chapters are there, you can listen. Immediately we will start doing the algebra part. In algebra part, this is the beginning. I hope that matrix, determinants, permutations, combinations, probability. These are the 4 chapters we are remaining. In the calculus, differential equations, one more pending is there. Differential equations and then areas. These 2 chapters also remaining. So if I plan 1 month, my teaching schedule will finish. So from your side you have to listen. Maybe September, October it will go on. Till October end it will go on. Okay. So keep on doing. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Anyway, now sufficient time is there. Every day 3 to 5 I am available here, present these days. So if you want any doubts, if you have any doubts, you can come and clarify all those doubts. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Just prepare notebook for yourself after listening all these things. and you can practice a few more bits. Exam point of that is good for you. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.